Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to connect Outlook to Gmail. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe out 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your Gmail and then click on settings and click on see all settings, and now click on accounts and import. And here you will get this option, check mail from other accounts. Click on add a mail account, and now here you have to put your Outlook mail and click on next and select this first option, next. And now here you have to put your Outlook account password, sign in, click on yes, and then click on close. So here you can see I have successfully connected my Outlook with my Gmail. And if you want to unlink your Outlook with your Gmail, click on this unlink option. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.